Hey guys, what's going on? This is going to be the lathering video for History 101. I'm not going to get too much into ingredients and scent profile and that type of thing. I'll do that in my actual shave video, which will be, I'll record that later tonight, but this will upload before that, a day before that. So I'm lathering with the Maggard 28 millimeter. This thing holds a ton of water. I mean, it's a ton of water. So I'm not going to put all of that or leave all of that in the brush. I'm going to actually wring out the majority. Okay, so that's good. You can see the gel tips there. Very nice. So that's the brush that I'm going to use. I really like this scent. Again, I'm not going to get too much into, that's how the soap looks. Brand new. I've never used this before. You can kind of tell that just because all of the imperfections in the pore are showing. After you kind of use the soap a little bit, they kind of just all flatten out. Some brake soaps. Yeah, smells very nice. All right, so we're just gonna do typical load. I'll load, we'll say 20 seconds. Hope everyone's doing well today or tonight or whenever you're watching this. And we're about at 20 seconds, somewhere around there. So, all right, let's go ahead and do this. Get everything that's left in here. All right, so that's the load. That's the container here. I'm just gonna rinse it off. Rinse off the threads and let that dry out for tonight's shave. And this is it after one use. So you can kind of see like how it was kind of peaky before in there. It's kind of lost some of that with the soap, or with the brush pulling away some of the soap. All right, we'll let that dry. Let me wet my face a little bit. This should be a short video. Well, I don't know. In these videos, I kind of like to just test lather. So I'll start doing this with all of my new bases that I receive, like Shannon soaps and the lather on this, the scent on this lather is a bit stronger than the tub, so that's nice. But when I get a new soap in, like the two I showed you yesterday, which is Summer Break and Shannon, I will do a lathering video before I actually, you can see it's already creating somewhat of a lather just by painting the little bit that I have here. I haven't even really worked it yet. This is a tallow soap, and I'll do all the ingredients during the next shave with it. So, all right, I'm gonna dip the tips in water, and we'll get to. Very nice. Mm, 20 seconds may have been a bit too long. I might, for the shave, I might try 15. Now, trust me when I say I could work this and get it very voluminous and whatnot, but I'm not necessarily sure that I will need that or shave with this soap. So that's what we have right there. Let's play with a little bit of lather, see how it kind of feels and reacts. All right. So let me get a razor that has no blade in it. So this has nothing in it. This is my my Merca Future clone. So nothing's in there, no blade whatsoever. And I just want to kind of take off some of this lather and feel the slickness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, the residual slickness there is very nice. Not that this is telling anything on the razor, but yeah, the slickness is nice. Again, there's no blade. It's just... Oh yeah. Yeah, super slick. I'll leave in the description the post-shave feel. Another cool thing that I could do with these videos, since I'm not actually shaving, is I won't, not that I have to, but I don't feel the need to put on an aftershave. So therefore, I can just kind of I could just let the soap, you know, just wash the soap off and see how the after the shave feel is, the post shave feel. I know that on Summer Break Soap's website they mentioned that this is their V2 base, or whatever they're calling it, but it's essentially their second base, or you know, an iteration on their first base. It's their second released base. So they said that they were, in the iteration, they wanted to kind of get a better aftershave feel. So I'm interested to see how this aftershave feel is going to be. As far as lathering goes, oh, this scent. This is a nice scent. It's kind of a particular scent, and like I said, you know, you'll get that information all from the shaving video. You may not like a lot of the scents in this, but me, I love the scents in this. So really, it creates a quick lather. There's no playing around with the soap. It definitely creates a serviceable lather. I'm going to push it a little bit now. Add water to the tips there. I just want to see how much water I can add before I drown it out. I could be wrong, but I believe that the manufacturer, or the two artisans of this soap, are actually, it's a husband and wife team, I believe, kind of like Rod and Mandy of Sterling, but they're actual school teachers. And again, I could be wrong on that, but that's kind of like the summer break soaps type thing, I think, and it would make sense. There's a sheen on this lather. I'm not sure if it's coming through on the camera, but there's definitely, let me turn this light on here. I don't know if the sheen comes on the camera, but this is definitely a nice lather. This is tallow based. What I was saying was, it would make sense if they started this soap company during, you know, summertime, and it wasn't, this soap company's been around for some time. At least a couple of years, if not, you know, several years. But it would make sense that on summer break, if they weren't teaching summer school, you know, they would come up with a company that, you know, they can have for themselves and build up. And with this lather, if the post-shave feel is also nice, this might move up to one of my favorite soaps. I mean, I could keep working this. You could see it's just getting more and more. That's what I was saying. Probably about 15-second load would work with this. Maybe even a 10-second load. But, all right, let me rinse off real quick. We'll pull whatever's in here and we'll kind of play with the lather just to see. But I can keep working this and just gain bulks of lather, heaps of lather. So give me 1 second. Let me rinse off. the scent on this, I'm not kidding. It's very nice. I do wish it were a little stronger. I mean, I wish all scents were stronger, but okay. That's all I'm doing. I just took some water, basically just rinsed everything off. I'm gonna pat it dry. I'm not gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna pat it dry, and we'll let it sit there. I'm not putting anything else in my face. That's it. That's all I want to do right there. I want to see what the poche feel is without anything else. So, and again, I'll put that in the description, and I'll mention it also in the next video. So, all right, let's go back with the lather, see what we have here. Goodness, yeah. We have a ton of lather in there. That's what we have left in the brush, not much. All right, so let's go ahead. Let me wet my hand just a little bit, my right hand. And let's see what we can do here. So we can look at the peaks. Very nice peaks. They're definitely hydrated enough because they're kind of flowing on their own weight. Yep. So, you know, I think this is a wonderful base. It's definitely slick. Let me... Oh, man, that's it. All right, let me rinse off my hands real quick. And I'm gonna leave just a little bit of lather. All right, so just a little bit of residual lathers on my hands. Yeah, this is like, I mean, it's just gliding. It's very, very, very slick between there. A little bit of lather there too. Yeah. So slickness, excellent. Scent, which is subjective, but the scent of this particular soap is excellent. I mean, we're talking about soap base mainly here, not necessarily the scent profile. But overall, soap base, I haven't shaved with it yet, but soap base seems to be wonderful. It's a tallow-based soap, very slick. I just dried off my hands and they're still kind of slick. I have that kind of like, slippery feel still. Let me dry them off a little more. So yeah, we're just waiting on the poche feel as far as how it feels, you know, in the next hour or two. And that'll be in the description of this video. Also, I'll speak about that during the shave tonight. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more lathering videos, just let me know. If you want to see lathering videos on older soaps that I haven't done a lathering video of yet, because I have done some. Just let me know and I can do a lathering video of those particular ones. So, all right, hope you enjoy the video. See you next time.